clear plastic luggage labels from Amazon. These are around £4.99 each. What you need to do here is just put some of the information into the luggage tag. So we cut this bit out here, and this bit, we cut that bit there. And if we fold them like that, you can still fill in your mobile number and your name, and you just bend it on each other so you can still see the number, your room number and the cruise. You just open the tag like this. Close the tag, it's very waterproof. You get one of these metal loops, push it through there, and you just screw it in place around your bag. These are far more neater, and if the security person needs to see your mobile number or your cruise reference number, they can just take the paper out of the clip to view. Here's one I've attached to my little suitcase here, and you can see it's quite a neat design. It's quite secure, it's not going anywhere, it's not going to come off, it's not going to get affected by the rain. I do highly recommend it, and again the link is in the description. Please like or subscribe.